ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ನ ಮುಂದುವರೆದಂತಹ ಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ತರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 19th ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ an enquiry into the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ನೋಡಿ. ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಹಂಟರ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇಂಟು ದ ಜಲಿಯನ್ವಾಲಾ ಬಾಗ್ ಟ್ರಾಜಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 20th one. ಖಿಲಾಫತ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ started by Ali brothers. Okay, Khilafat movement started by Ali brothers. So next, Gandhiji started non-cooperation movement in the year 1920. Gandhiji started non-cooperation movement in the year 1920. Who started non-cooperation movement? Gandhiji. When? 1920. Okay, next. Gandhiji withdraw non-cooperation movement in 1922. Why? Question. Gandhiji withdraw non-cooperation movement in 1922. Why? Due to the Chauri Chaura violent incident. Due to the Chauri Chaura incident. Okay, so next, Swaraj Party started by dash and dash in the year 1923. Which one? Swaraj Party started by dash and dash in the year 1923. Swaraj Party started by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. Swaraj Party started by Motilal Nehru and C.R. Das. So in the year 1923. So next, why the British appointed Simon Commission in 1927? Why the British appointed Simon Commission in 1927? Thus, to suggest suitable change for Rowlatt Act if it needed, and submitted to the government. So why British appointed Simon Commission in 1927? To suggest suitable changes for Rowlatt Act if it needed, and submit to the government. Okay, next. In which Congress conference Gandhiji approved of the plan of the Swaraj? Question. In which Congress conference Gandhiji approved of the plan of the Swaraj? So which conference? Party and accepted it is as an part of the Congress plans. Party and accepted it is as a part of the Congress plan. So ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು? ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ accepted it is a part of the Congress plan. So which one Congress conference? Belagavi conference held in 1924. Belagavi conference held in 1924. That one conference. Next, why Congress protested against Simon Commission? Why Congress protested against Simon Commission? Why? This commission did not have a single Indian as the member. Why they protested? This commission did not have a single Indian as the member. Therefore, they protest against the Simon Commission. Next, 27th. During the protest against the Simon Commission, what is that? During the protest against Simon Commission, Dash died after being injured in a police canning. During the protest against Simon Commission, Dash died after the being injured in a police canning. Lal Lajpat Rai, who are died in this one against protest against the Simon Commission, Lal Lajpat Rai. Next, what is that? What was the declaration of Lahore Congress Conference held in the year 1929? What was the declaration of Lahore Congress Conference held in the year 1929? Purna Swaraj. Dear friends, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು 39-40 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ನೋಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.